In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize page headers in Google Sites. Whether you're designing a personal blog or constructing a professional business site, personalizing your header can make your website stand out and reflect your unique style or brand identity. Let's dive into the steps. First, you'll want to start by clicking on your header. This will bring up the options you need to modify it. Google Sites provides a straightforward way to interact with your site as you build it, so you'll find the interface intuitive and user-friendly. This interaction with the header is the foundational step to ensure you have your header in focus before making changes. Next, after selecting the header, you'll notice a button labeled Image. Go ahead and click on that. Images are crucial to any web page as they can instantly capture attention and convey a message about your page's purpose. This option allows you to choose the perfect visual backdrop for your header. Once the image option is selected, you have the ability to customize it further by clicking on Upload. This is where you can change the existing image to one that fits better with the theme or aesthetic you're aiming for. It's always a good idea to select high quality images that are relevant to your content. Make sure to have your chosen image file ready on your computer. Just click Upload, select your file, and let it integrate into your site. After customizing your image, you might want to edit the title on your header itself. Click directly on the title text to make changes. This is your chance to ensure the text matches your overall message or marketing theme, so choose your words carefully. Whether it's catchy or to the point, it should convey the essence of the page it represents. Now let's shift focus slightly. You can further enhance the appearance of your page by clicking on Themes in the menu. Themes are pre-designed templates that simplify color and font choices. Choose one that complements your website's personality, aligning with your vision for cohesive page design. Finally, express your creativity further by selecting a color theme. Once you've clicked Themes, an option to select a color will appear. This allows you to establish a consistent color scheme across your site, enhancing visual harmony. Consider using brand colors to create a uniform look or pick something bold to stand out. There you have it. Customizing your page header in Google Sites is as easy as that. These steps will not only improve the aesthetics of your header, but also create an engaging and visually appealing atmosphere for your site visitors. Play around with different combinations to see what works best for you. Don't be afraid to get creative and experiment until you find the perfect look. Thanks for watching. Be sure to check out our other tutorials for more tips and tricks.